wash our hands so clean. Now we find a green cucumber. We are cutting the cucumber, chop, chop. And here is a red tomato. We are dicing tomato, cooking. Into the lake go. Hello, chef, see my hat. Look, we are watching the colors. The salad round and round. We are practicing with our safety knife. Green cucumber and red tomato. We love the food. Yeah! Let's prepare the table for our snack.